The combination of products offered by a company is known as the company's product mix. Not all products are alike. One product may differ from another in its sale price, its production costs, and its attractiveness to the consumer. Because of this, a company might find that it is more profitable to devote more of its resources to selling one product over another. For example, company might make a larger profit on each high quality loaders it sells compared to its profit margin on less expensive loaders. The challenge for the company is to maximize its profits while still meeting the demands of the market. So even though company might make more money high quality loader it sells, the demand for those kinds of loaders is smaller than the demand for less expensive loader. In general, companies want their product mix to cover the widest possible range of consumer needs. For that reason, company produces and sells four models of loaders of increasing quality and performance, two less expensive loaders and two more expensive high quality loaders. I have listed the sale price, costs and variable expenses for each model in the product mix worksheet. In Data tab, Analyze Group, click Solver. In this cell, set objective. Every solver model needs an objective cell and one or more variable cells. An objective cell is a result cell that is maximized, minimized or set to a specific value. In this worksheet, cell reference F25 is a objective cell which displays the optimal net income is the objective cell whose value I want to maximize. The cells in the range which contains the number of loaders produced and sold by the company under the optimal product mix are called variable cells, whose values I want solver to change in order to reach that optimal net income. Check the max option. This option tells solver to find the maximum value possible for cell reference F25. Click by changing variable cells box and then select the cell references range. The absolute reference of this range tells the solver to modify the product mix values stored in these cells in order to maximize the value in cell reference F25. Click Solve. Solver finds the maximum net income and the optimal product mix by evaluating different product mix combinations. This shows that company should produce and sell billions of loaders to maximize its net income. Check Restore Original Values. Check Return to Solver Parameters dialog box. Click OK. The initial solver model had no limits on the solution. So solver kept increasing the number of loaders produced and sold to find the maximum net income, because selling more loaders means more profit. To find a more realistic solution, I must add constraints to the model.